My brother, in a woman.
Huh?
In a woman.
And I'm a pro.
In a van, I'm living a go. I'm living.
Okay. Very well.
You can hear me. Right? Hello?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you. I'm trying to finish the settings. I don't know. Have you set your own?
Yes, setting call. I had more kind of my phone.
Yeah, everything is okay here. Everything is okay. So let us just complete the settings. Guys, just once you come in, like the video and put your comment. I can see Firstborn is here and Benjamin. Two of you have made comments. I appreciate you for that. And we are going to continue. Put your no. Okay, just give me some time. Let us finish the settings. I am fine. And Nelson, Mark, I see you. I see you. Just keep on coming and make sure you like the video. Very, very important. Like the video. I can see many of you. Your comment is here. Just give me some time. We are trying to use a different stream today, and we have in the house first Reverend Exodus. So if you have not subscribed to his channel, please do. He's here today. Like the video, okay? We are trying to finish the settings before we start up properly. Because I know maybe some of you will feel bored about the way you are setting it up today because this is not our usual broadcast. We are trying to test the mic and everything to make sure that it's working properly. Give thy greet you.
The camera na message appear somehow. The thing go to when I appear. Go on there.
Oh, it will be metulaka. Not go and turn on your camera now. Oh, be metulaka. Metu ebe hack again. Yeah, you know, it is a landscape. Why my own on a portrait? And their mom can this landscape can remember, but although you know that you need to go back. Happy or not for now. As time goes and we are going to get used to all those things. And other happy like that. Yes, Choma Ibe, I am live. Choma Ibe is asking if we are live. Yeah, this is live broadcast. Many of you may think that it's a recorded one. No, we are live. We are live. I'm live with my brother h0cking Biafra. So you can also subscribe to his channel. Let me just put the carnival and so that people, you guys will know who is with us today. And okay, this one is done. Next thing, we are live and direct. I love that. So guys, like the video. Okay, keep your comment coming. And like I said, we are here today, and you can see the title. We are here to talk about. My brother, are you okay? Have you fixed your?
Yeah.
Okay. So just let me give you the mic so you can greet the reference. Okay, before we go through the program of the day.
Before I want to see my wife and click my button. I cannot even see where I can click my button. That's the problem.
Which button are you talking about?
If I can just to control my button, the audio and all this thing, the thing is not even showing anymore.
I don't understand what you mean.
The thing I'm no more seeing my buttons.
I am the host now. You are not the host, so you cannot see everything like you normally see it now.
Like if I want to mute my mind somewhere, like kind of, normally I was supposed to see where to mute my mind. Now the thing is no more showing from my side.
Put your mic. So mute your mic. Okay, I don't even know where to locate it, to be honest.
Can I now want to check? Go to back. Let me just go up. I'm tells me to come up. The thing says off now.
Oyana, mania, let us see.
Click it. I cannot even click anything. I put that in my way. I'm not push it back. The thing doesn't go to see me. Just remove them back. I'm going to click it.
Okay. Okay, I have done that. So let us just wait a while for him to join us back because, like I told you at the initial time, that we are here to do the needful. You understand? We are here to test this live stream. This is a different stream platform from the one you are using before. But I want to get used to the title of this video. As you can see on the heading here, we are talking about the lies of these people. Do you understand? Okay, I think he's back. Okay, hello? 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 Again.
Add me back.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So finally, our brother is here. So now what am I one number to Ganilu can end the dome Biafra.
It's all right. Thank you so much, Biafrans all over the world. You are welcome back to the channel. It's a great pleasure meeting you. I salute every one of us. And they will be back again to discuss tonight. So, but what we are doing here is just like just running the stream. So you people should be with us, Yotago, as we are moving, we are progressing. That's the time they will believe it from here. We move.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. So as you can see on the video, you can see the title. We are here to talk about the level of lies and the criminality of these people. Those who claim that they know everything, they have a way of achieving Biafra. They know how to manipulate anybody, and you know them. You may call names, but not on this early stage. So there are some posts that I would like to read. Okay, I wanted to play some video, but I'm still struggling to know how to bring the video up. But let's see, we can go on this one because like this stream yard is this stream platform is new to me to master it. But a journey of a might begin with one step. So let us just start from today using this one, to know how we can, until we get used to everything, and then we can now see how we can manage ourselves and all that. The stream is very, very small. Let me see. Is there any way we can adjust it? Is there any way we can adjust? Okay, maximize. Just a moment. Let me see if it will help us to. Okay, just a moment. I'm trying to, not this one. Okay, I don't know why the camera is not friendly.
Small.
The window is very, very small, very, very small. I'm trying to adjust it. It is very, very, very small. I can see. Uh, just a moment. Just a moment. Let us see. Let us have. It's not getting man.
Go better. It's better now.
How to go better get that?
Yeah. It's better now.
Your voice net break, is it? Your voice net break.
The two mic is on. I think if you are speaking, I need to off the mic. You off your mic.
I should off my mic. I don't mind if you know, I can't hear you, honestly.
If both of us are speaking at the same time, the thing will be crashing because our mic is both on. If you are speaking
so how will I
put
myself there? I can't see mute button here.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. I'm at your mute button.
I hear that time and I complain. Now maybe I can see my mute button now.
Okay, for your own. Okay. I think I've seen that.
Have you seen it?
Huh?
Have you seen your mute button now?
Yes, I have seen it. Actually, Chomi Benepuna that she want to say something. So can you just that link can send the link. You see, you get it in a chat. Okay, let me put it. Let me see if I can put it here. I can put it. Just hold on. Let me see. Let me see if it's possible for me to put here.
Say, Mazi Biafran Estados is breaking. Am I still breaking?
Yeah, where can I work before? First, go by name break.
Because our mic is both on. That's why it's breaking. Our mic is both on.
Okay, let me show me. You have the link. Since you say you don't have enough time, you have the link to join us.
Please, I want you to check if my mic is still breaking.
Mic is okay now.
If you off your mic, then my mic will be okay. If both of our mic is on, my mic will not be okay. That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
So we are waiting for Choma to join us. Otherwise, we go straight to the program. I can see you, h0cking. h0cking, I see you. h0cking, I believe h0cking. Because I always but is okay now. Okay. Choma, are you still there, or should I go on? I'm waiting to see you. I'm waiting to see you. Okay, let us go straight to the program because we're not going to waste much time on this program. Okay, so let me go straight to the program, okay? Because like I said, not me in. Not letting you in, really. Okay, let me see. Invite guests. That's the link now. That's the link. To invite a guest. 6 guests can, but okay, let me put the link again.
No, no.
Okay, please try the link. This one, this link. Try this one that I just posted now. Try this one. Try this link. See if it will allow you to come. I don't know. Please like this video, okay? We are about to discuss something very, very important because this is the first time we are using this. So we spend a lot of time doing some settings, but I think we are almost done.
My dear friends, make una no vex so.
They understand. They understand. So still the same thing. It cannot be the same thing. That the link is still the same thing. You mean the link is the same thing? Let me understand what you mean by h0cking. Are you saying that the link is still giving headache? Not, they're not. It's not responding. Not letting me in. I don't understand what you mean. Are you saying that the link is still the same, or let me understand what you mean by that? Okay, we are going to come back to that later. Good morning. Armstrong is here. Our brother is here. How are you, my brother? Nice to have you. Nice to have you. Let's go straight to the program. Okay. We have spent 23 minutes just for setting and touching and all that. Don't worry, it cannot let me go ahead. Do you mind to call on WhatsApp? If yes, you let me know. Let me bring my WhatsApp number for you to call because honestly, I tried this kind of broadcast before. So as you can see that. You can see that because the link I have now, they told me that link can invite 6 people. 6. But I don't know why you cannot come in with the link. I don't know why. So, like I told us, I saw there's a post that someone made and trying to insult or to deceive Biafrans. He said the link is not functioning. Ada destroying herself. WhatsApp app, good. Okay. So let me get my WhatsApp number for you to call. Then after that, we go ahead to the program because you said you are going to somewhere. That's why I'm trying my best to see if you can say what you want to say. Hopefully, it will be something that will help us to progress. You understand? Just a moment. Exodus, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Just give me a moment. Let me get my WhatsApp number for this our sister.
It's all right.
Just take the mic.
Yeah, lovers of freedom, good people of citizens over the world. Mazika, please, can you off your mic? The thing is bouncing back. My voice is coming out very clear.
Sorry, I have my sister. I'm sorry that even my phone is down, very very down. So let's you can present your own WhatsApp number. Just put it on comment section so that she can call in if possible. Okay. So because my own is the battery is very very down. I forgot to charge it because I was relying on this link. So that's the problem. Old criminals looking for customers.
Okay.
Who is this one? Who is okay, now I know who is talking. He said old criminals looking for
No,
customers.
I'll be right back.
Where are you going, my brother? Just get your WhatsApp number so that people will so that she can call through that. Essence, are you there?
Let me bring out the number. I'm bringing out the number.
Okay. So let us listen to this. Why he's before he brings the number. Let us just listen to this. Stop donating money to. You see, you called us criminal. Have we steal anything from you? The answer is no. But this is to tell you how evil you guys can be. This is to tell you the mindset. Everybody to you is evil, bad, and all that, right? But came and kai man cause. You can say anything you want to say, but Biafrans know the truth. Everybody is a sabot to you. Everybody is a criminal. Everybody is Fulani. Only you is good and everything. Really. So let us just wait for this because okay, let me.
Now, when the network they for the bad, I don't know. Your voice is cracking from here, and I'm not even seeing the message. I'm not seeing the message now coming from here.
Can my voice can mute on myself? Let me know. Just continue. Let me mute myself.
Yeah, I want to voice him now for market now. Give me a thumbs up. If my voice is coming out now, please can you give me a thumbs up without cracking? Is it still cracking? Give me a sign. If my voice is coming out loud and clear, give me a sign. Give me a thumbs up. Mazi.
Your voice is okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Can you? Okay. It's all right. It's all right. So the video is okay, right? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. It's all right. It's all right. Ngwa umuchuko kabia mande won. All we are just trying to do here, we are just trying to set up this, and we are just trying to balance them. All we are just trying to do here is to set up this the stream here, and we are just doing the test run. So you know what you don't know is bigger than you. And no one kind of touch the whole thing, because we felt that this place is a better way of, so that when we are streaming, most of us will be appearing at the same time. So I have the opportunity and make alone. I am live and direct with Mazikai, understand? And my brother is doing a wonderful job, and with a heart of sincerity and humility, trying to bring the message of redemption to the hearts and the minds of our people. Even though that not everybody is going to appreciate his effort or our effort we are putting in to reach out to every members of our families and both at home and away. This is war. We are now in the process of war between light and darkness, and they are just trying to stop us because of our freedom. And it is our duty to put every record straight. You understand? The levels of their lies and their propagandas against this our government is getting out of the roof. And they are not giving up. They are not giving up at any given time. And all we are trying to do is to make sure that every members of our family, every member of this movement, all of us have mental toughness. So as we proceed in this program, we pray that h0cking Abiyama is going to order up our footsteps, order up our voices, so that we reach out to you with truth and with sincerity and with a matured mind. Please don't allow anybody to deceive you. Don't allow anybody to confuse you. If you are going to any camps of the brokers of the enemies, make sure you're listening with your brain. Don't listen with your ears. Mazi, I yield my mic for now, and then let me off it so that you speak.
Much. Thank you, my brother. So you have heard it all from our brother. Everything is the way we are. It just told you we are trying to fix all those things. We are not used to that. Did you manage to get the number so that this our sister will call? I don't know if she's here. The WhatsApp number.
Yes, I posted the number from there, but I'm not seeing it. But I'm seeing it in my other phone. I posted the number. I'm seeing it in my other phone.
Okay, you posted it in. Can you send it to me on my WhatsApp so that I will post it, because she was not seeing that number because she's not watching from your own platform. She's watching from my own platform.
Okay.
So just send it to me on WhatsApp.
Okay, let me
so
post. Let me.
Yeah, number our COS, Dr. Ngozo Nabeze, Osmu Gwaginye.
I'll send the number.
Okay.
You know, Kunyana Bo Bazi. I was on the Kwakijo Animal Committee. The committee would not case, So actually waiting again at the committee. Now over there. I dissolve this committee I'm going now. Then it another committee. So actually meeting in the Madaka. The committee now do not advertise what that is committee okay. Second quarter again. I'm like on a committee, but you're not getting. And I'm making a packet. The yes, Nakagu, but not getting on here. It was okay, my email, it was going back now historic because here I made yesterday historic moment. And then I can go about the historic. Always open up like you get Tabanasu, Adam and Africa, but Niconia. Google then, so because for how we needed that to recognize the certificate and the map, because they're link. Because it was like a Carolina, so can I dedicate go. I can just go. Oh, when I apply that. And even in a moment, the only moment, he can repose again. Hey, with the Kadati, but not a note no case. And that one that's not sophisticated, over to be everybody. I was on a base, I'm going to read it over. I can just continue. But that's where the road. If I'm going to do history, if I have a good Gazelling, magic, no much. MSA, Eponia. Oh, Eponia, I had to be careful to add when he can propose to the 18 to cat. But that's what he delayed in that to a gun and to him. So, in fact, the question made by him, let your spirit guide you. Thank you. Amy, did they pick my call? Why you didn't call me before you transfer any money? I want to even will die day now. What is going on? Amy, you're supposed to. It's animal program for you. Didn't have my miss call and they that bomb. She that watch him back. Anyway, thank you very much.
Okay, so I try to play this voice note. This is why is talking France conversation all with them with Emeka Ghana. Okay, and this conversation is not something that many of you have listened to that. Now she's calling him a bad person, evil man. You know her way now. She always have something to say. So she's busy tearing him apart. You can see the way she was talking, how nice she was sounding here. You know, Amy, and they teaching them. But all this hate started now that the man, Amy, is now aware of what she's doing and what she wants. I will take it again. This is not even part of the program that we want to discuss here, but I have to play it so that you people will know. Now, boss also for a can record voice. This one is not recorded though. This is her message. She's recorded herself and sent. And so I don't want you to say, oh, maybe recorded her. No. She was so eager to hear from the man, that our brother, and let me just end it there. But hear it yourself so that it will not be as if I'm the one. But this part where you listen, let me take it back. There's that place where she was lamenting. Why did you pay this money? Why did you pay this money? Many of you may not understand what this wife is saying here. Hear it again.
Amy,
did
they pick my call? Why you didn't call me before you transfer any money?
Why you didn't call me before you transfer any money? Why did you just send this money without my permission? As if she made this money for him. Are you getting the point? They always want to know, they will tell you how to send your money, when to send it, you know that kind of thing. Then you ask yourself, what is her agenda? This one is not after PMO, after the arrest PM. PM was here. This woman she have that courage to dictate where money will go, where money will not go, how much you send, how much you don't need to send. But when she come out in the public, she'll be talking, I don't know about Toby, just about Toby, just about Toby. But the truth of the matter is that she don't even have Obatobi interest. That is why she's questioning how much you send, where are you sending the money. A lot is going on that many of you don't know. The transaction going on behind the camera is the reason why some of them will be on space. Those ex-ministers. They will spend if you allow them, they spend 1 week on space. 1 good week. Telling people all manner of bullshit. Let me just go back again. Hear that.
I want to even will die day now. what is going on? Amy is supposed to say, I'm not going to for you, didn't have my miss call, and they did bomb, she did watch him back. Anyway, thank you very much.
Ebe a ka ọ nọ ghọta onwe ya na anọtụkwa ka na agafezi bandịrị. Maybe Amy will understand that this I'm saying is not supposed to, is not, that I'm not supposed to say it. Are you getting the point? Amy, why, man? What is going on? What is going on? As if the money is maybe family money or something like that.
When the Nepal 2 million, 4 million, and they go on a base up on all these things. The next year, no, I had 2 million, then 2 million, 4 million, and then go say, one of which you got to see like it on that. If all but they organize one, they are certificate. One of what is only a certificate. That is no time.
Somebody said
like this now. Yeah, now any other happy about this.
Okay, so we placed the number here to call, and the Chomi did not call, so we just wasted our time looking for a number for her to call in and all that. Our sister is here. Happy ma'am. That is our mommy. I see you. I see you. Our mommy is here. Thank you so much for joining us this hour. Please, Choma, if you still want to call, you call, because I'm going straight to the topic. Can you imagine? That's Blessing Chiku. Blessing Chiku, you were yesterday kicking against some of the answer from USB government. I was watching your comment. I don't have feelings. I don't know why you and one of our sister, both of you shocked me yesterday. You were somehow kicking against everything, but I believe by now you must have seen reasons behind the response that USB gave to those people who are so desperate to paint everyone bad. Now, somebody said we should not start this program with this voice. There's a reason why I started with it. So for you to know the agenda, but honestly, this some of the features that made me to use this stream platform this day or now, I'm not happy that it's not functioning the way I want. I'm still looking for a way to bring on videos or pictures, because I have some screenshots that I wanted to display here. But unfortunately, I can't locate the icon to do that. Like I said, we are still getting used to this part of streaming. But nevertheless, let's continue. So, my people, just pay attention to what I want to read out here. The lies of these people. Some of them that started with that started by supporting USB government, telling you that USB is the best way to go, right? Telling you that the government is getting it right. All of a sudden, because of one thing or another, they choose to do otherwise. Many of them and by the names or the write-up or somehow the comment that we are going to make here, you understand them. You may know the name. The seer of the seer is here with his post. 15 hours ago, he made a post on his X, telling the whole world that they are not doing everything possible. In fact, that the little money that Ogen is collecting, according to him, the money that they donated last week is in the good shape, and they are using it very, very well. Then I was waiting to see how they use the money very, very well. Behold, it happened to be a video of what event that took place a few years ago, or maybe last year or last 2 years, where catapults of police, Nigerian police or army, because I can see the color of this blue, yellow, blue, something like that is happen to be the color of Nigerian police, right? So this catapult, few of them captured, and the video was on social media a few years ago. Like I said, it's not something that happened today. I caught that video and posted it with this caption. He said, "Your contribution last week is bringing the feelings back, bringing the feelings back. Sorry, Biafran's Liberation Army gradually sanitizing Biafra land. Please contribute more. Do not contribute one dime. Don't go go to Brick to make your donation for men on the ground." Many of you have seen the comment of one guy here on this live broadcast that I deleted, saying similar thing that you should not contribute anything to Ngozi Oraveze and connect, contribute, don't donate anything, don't contribute anything, just give it to Brig, right? According to them. The question is, why must you then put old video trying to tell us that's what is going on now? There's a pick up the set ablaze. I saw it 2 days ago. The same made a post with caption. Don't you guys are supporting Ngozi Oraveze. He don't say Ngozi Oraveze. He said Ngozi Oraveze. I don't want to quote him wrong. Don't repost this video that like you used to do. That was his caption. It's telling you that since you don't like good things, don't celebrate. Are you getting the point? But this is the problem. Many of them telling you to fall back, that looking is the best way to go and all that nonsense. Because of the personal interest or hate they have. Not because they don't like CS, what the CS is doing. Like I said in the video that I uploaded earlier today, some of them have their own reason for doing what they're doing, but they're not man enough to say it publicly. You hated everything that USB is doing simply because the presence of Caterpillar rumored that Caterpillar is now involved, whether he's or he's not. Why must you just use that thing to lie? You are lying by telling Biafrans that, oh, I have everything in my hands, in my control. Caterpillar is this, is that. Run away from him. Don't listen to him. He's bad, he's this, he's that. As you are saying that, you are doing everything to sabotage or to lie to Biafran that USB government is not for Biafra. But your problem is because of Caterpillar. The question is, since you hated Caterpillar like you claim, I don't know him. I'm not here to tell you that Caterpillar is a saint. No. But everything has limits. Can you just maintain your lane? If you know that Caterpillar is a problem, why don't you just focus on that and condemn it? But this idea of Ngozi Oraveze is a Fulani, he is looking for who to buy. He is this, is that. That does not make any sense to me. So he, like I said, he posted this video with the caption that I just told you, that that the money that you contributed last week is now bringing the feelings back. Biafran liberation. So what feeling is that, you may ask? Feeling of woto. Now, this feeling that this guy is looking for, you can also achieve it if you set the plan, because everything have time and season. The time of that, just go and do woto. And without planning, without setting things in the place. I don't think it is right time now, because PM is in because of what? People who were pretending that they're joining the woto compile videos of some of the, even the woto that happened elsewhere. They submitted it to Finland to do what we are hearing, what PM is facing today. Few days ago, I told us the secret chat that the people are having, looking for a way to pin COS down, that she's this, is that. But they don't want to admit the fact that Biafrans are aware of those things, what they're doing, what they're saying, and all that. You know, I'm going to read the comment from this is his post. So you will see the comment from this guy's post. Biafrans actually replied him the way he deserved. I don't know, maybe you have joined the group that don't read comments, maybe. Someone said old video. Then the other one said, you are just trying every means to justify the money Ogenkere paid you. Ogenkere paid you to open your shop because you yourself know this is an old video. You are just relentless and you are trying all methods for Biafrans to believe you. Biafrans are not fools. Are you getting the point? Then another person said this.
I swear.
Another person said this. Emmanuel Oremejus, are you not ashamed of yourself? How would this help the cause of USB recognition and defense? Many of them don't believe in USB. That's not the fact. We know when COS and some Biafrans said that these people were working hard to stop Biafran regulation, it is not making a very good lot of sense. It's not making a lot of sense because if you cannot tell us that USB is to be recognized, if you ask them what is your Ogekere doing, and they will tell you that Ogekere is meeting people that matter in US for USB to be recognized. Then when you, after saying that, scroll down on that page, the same people, they will tell you that USB Nigeria, USB charger. So I don't, please, someone should make it to make sense. How can you tell me that you are looking for Biafra, that USB is USB Nigeria? At the same time, you are working to, and you claim that that's what Ogekere is doing. He's meeting congressmen that wants the American follow, other nation follow. It sounds good, isn't it? Then you turn around to tell us that USB charger, USB Nigeria. So what are you fighting then? Like I said a few days ago, that when you begin to listen to them or trying to make sense out of what they're saying, it sounds to me like a young man that wants to marry a young woman, a young girl, and promise the girl that you are going to marry, I'm going to wed you. Everything is love, you know. The family of the girl know you. After pretending, telling them that you are in for them, for their daughter, you want to marry their daughter and everything, then you turn around and go to social media and post the girls. I made a post with the girl picture and call her prostitute, and they said the family is just a gold diggers. That is what you be posting on your wall, not to not three. Then you come back and tell them, oh, no, I want to marry you. You are my wife. Nobody will accept it. If you want to marry the girl, you marry the girl. If you don't want, you say you don't want to marry. That's what they're doing. So they will tell you they're working to recognize Biafra for you to pay money. Then after paying the money, they will tell you USB charger. My question is, when are you going to, since you don't accept that USB has been declared or USB is USB, that is of Biafra, then what are you fighting then? What is Ogekere is trying to push people that matter in US that, as you told us, what is it that he what is it that he want them to recognize? Is it to recognize USB charger or to recognize USB Nigeria? I'm just asking. And in your charter, because every latest argument you tell people, go and read charter. Go and read charter. In your charter, do you have USB Nigeria or do you have USB charger? It's just a question I want you to answer, but they're not born the way to answer that. Let me read the comment again before I allow my brother to comment on this because I have other posts to go through. Honestly, my plan on this live broadcast is not what we are using. I wanted to be bringing all those things for you to see. Okay, my plan was to display it here with joy, but we did not succeed on that. I don't know how to get it now. And each time I try to scroll down, I find out that I'm somehow refreshing the system, which is not supposed to be. So somebody made another comment and said, like, okay, this old video. Then who again? Okay, Lovette said, Oyoshi criminal, all this old video you are displaying won't give you shishi. Zero donation. Work hard for the money. You are double identity Ogenkere gave you to start business. You will get zero donation saboteur. Olivia, Oliver said, Oliver Biafra said, brother, this is not the goal. This is not the goal. This is not the goal alone. The goal is structured government that will bring us Biafra. Like I said, did you hear that? What this our brother is trying to tell him is that it's not about going out to do what I run away. It's part of it. Don't misunderstand what I'm saying. But since your Biafra has been declared, the government is there. You must follow the template of the government and let everything be the way it is. So that what happened to others will not happen to you, our brothers and sisters again. Because everybody from Igbo land or Biafra land, they will pretend that they are, but indirectly they are not. Okay, but indirectly they are not, because publicly, in the midst of their brothers and sisters, they are Biafra. They don't it. Some of them have reasons. Making from it is second to none. Okay. So, sorry about that. I'm receiving call, and I don't know why the person is calling me, knowing fully that I'm here. A hungry man is an angry man. Continue your ranting. God forbid. If you ever stop, any day you change from lying and deceit, the gods will naked you in the public. Ha ha ha. Another person say ha ha ha. Ocheze, ocheze in Latin. Chai, you will cry until blood come out from your eyes. You know, this comment, I'm not just reading randomly. This one after another, after another, after another, and I'm tired of reading it. Will it stop him from making another post? No, never. He will keep on making more posts that to implicate himself in the name of fighting Ngosara and USB government. Like I said, this is not to tell you that everything is bread and butter in USB, but we need to tell ourselves the truth. Even if you have the master key to freedom, learn how to respect the authority. If you don't believe it, you cannot of gangsters. It doesn't work that way. That is Nigerian point. Oh, and it is like one of the US members that he preferred to be in the way it is now, that being different, full of diabolical people with juju and all that. I laughed, but we want freedom, but not freedom that have a leg. And I will leave it there. My brother, continue.
Am I coming out clear?
Yeah, your voice is
okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all that you have already explained. You know, Biafrans all over the world, they have already known the truth. Understand? You said everything I wanted to say. Understand? I just want to add this thing up. Biafrans have already known the truth regarding these individuals that are trying to blackmail Dr. Ngozi Arobeze, that are trying to blackmail Biafran government. And I don't know what is the problem. Maybe because of their selfish interest, because of their hatred, their bitterness, maybe they are being paid off, especially concerning this particular individual called Revenues. I so much pity that guy. I don't know. I so much pity him. He's one of the least person I thought that is going to be mesmerized by that woman. The woman mesmerized his brain. And I don't know how somebody can fight for all these years, all his sacrifice, all his running. The guy has been running from one joint from another, running away from DOS, running away from a lot of enemies, and reaching to this stage, the woman was able to convince him and to mess up with his brain, and now he's now useless. He's now useless. Look at the way Biafrans are insulting him in the comment section. And I don't even really know why some people, even when you are trying to address Biafrans, you say you are fighting for Biafrans. You say that you are saying the truth. You say you are a seer. And the people that you are talking to, they are now insulting you. And you don't even have remorse within yourself and know what is actually going on. And you know what is actually going on. Am I actually doing the right thing? Now, if you go to the comment section now, the result is there. The result is actually there. Biafrans don't like you anymore. You are now, you are no more part of what we are doing. And you're no more representing each of every one of us. Then why keep on still insulting yourself? That's the problem. That is the problem. Thank God that now him to like Biafra. Biafrans, they are the ones that judge. Power belongs to the people. And one thing about Biafrans, whenever you are doing good, they will applaud you. They will applaud you. They will support you. Whenever you are making sense, they will follow you. But any day you cease not to be making sense anymore and decide to do otherwise, France will first of all warn you. They will first of all try to advise you. Then if you remain adamant in your abysmal ignorance, they will now hate you and they will not cast you away. So I don't blame those that are falling out now because that's their decision. That is actually their decision. And the Biafran government will continue to move from one glory to another. And nothing is going to stop us. This is the divine mandate that no soul can be able to stop. So I need the opportunity when it's go move Biafra Ozi. Is the mighties are going to be fighting. Mighties, more mighty people are going to fall. But we need to ask ourselves the question, why am I in this Biafran restoration? What is my intention in joining this Biafran restoration? Am I actually here for good or am I actually here for evil? You need to answer the question within yourself. And are you sure that your conscience is working? Which role am I playing in this Biafran movement? Once your hand is clean, once your mind is clean and your hand is clean, forget about everything, leave the rest to God. There's one of our sister, that your sister is talking about, I've already called Ijoma. See, I've already called. He says that so he said that he was busy at work. He wanted to contribute by voice, and he already called. I told her that you are busy, you are still talking. When you finish talking, I will bring her in. So let me just call her. Let me just call her back. I want to speak to Biafrans. So you guys will hang on. So right, Ijoma, you are live and direct now. Biafrans are listening.
Am I coming out?
Yeah, you're coming out. Mazika, can you hear her? Yes, he said he can hear you. Right on. Biafrans are listening. We are live. Continue.
Can be go do with a remittance. Okay, I just put now. Just like you said, Ihe Basaronia is really annoying and always pathetic thing. Any dream material
Swear.
Because you make it na happen. I actually try. And ha get we out. Because metegule ihe aka geji baraya.
I swear.
Things on now also bagide routine at this point. There's Jesus way.
I don't know. I just don't know.
There's Jesus way because of August na enwe ego enyere ya. Ihe move ka we ego enwere ego enyere ya. Anu.
Ego le.
Ego le kwene ka je enye onye ana ụkwa na 400 ihe okegere all of them.
Chai.
You know. Yes, oji ujo shop ya. Nuru si ebe a na-eme eri.
Chai.
Mkpụrụ ihe abụọ ahụ o tiri n'ime shop ya ihe mere na o ji chefuo onwe ya.
Chai.
You know? Honestly, onye enwere ihe ya just ya garuo ya in fact only the ihe ụra only the alaba like this ya chere onwe ya echiche. Chere onwe ya echiche ihe nke ọ na-eme ogini ka ọ wụ.
The worst part on Achikochi, Obia, you know, ebe on Achiochi, on Achiochi Kimbe side. Man, what is wrong with this guy?
You know? So nke ha wụrụ ya another thing dịkwa ka ibe ya wụ nwatakịrị nwaanyị a na-akpọ nwaanyị isi ọcha. Ana m asị all these men that are following this lady a na-akpọ Ada Diora Mma, are they okay? Are they really okay? Men in particular hapụgodu ndị ụmụ nwaanyị nwere ike na-achọ ebe a na-agbara asị because ndị na-amaghị onwe ha. But men that are supporting this lady are all fools, unreasonable fools. Honestly, this particular lady eji ha na-agba granọt were ha na-agbara egusi ha na-ezuzugharị eme ya gbapụta amamọnụ hizikwe nke ụra kewa ụra amamọnụ agazikwe nke wa ọrụ ntakịrị ọ gbapụtala ihe ọ na-akọ akụkọ wụ Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. You know? Oh, somebody, that lady, this is so loose and wild.
I don't know. Very loose.
Because he got gone that somebody when onye kid do achita ya, na akpụ ụdị agwa. Na behave ka onye na-enweghị onye ndụmọdụ. You know? In a very wayward way, in a very like
she already gone crazy.
You know? And here I negotiate that name when you do this lady. And when you do
she's an agent.
Damage.
She's an agent. Oh, an agent.
Yes.
Officially declared.
You will tell me that because in your position, you are everywhere. Now, everywhere. Name abominable things. Here the angels. He reach in the na Ebola.
Agent of destruction.
Here time one forbid. Tell me, on a good reconciliation, on a good Simon Pata, image or Unke Adadoram. Tell me how Simon Epa will be looking at her. Speaking to no Rayon. Here we have Adrad Yama forbid on your limit. You have to take a pride now by that he's speaking with the angels.
Imagine.
You know? And people are clapping for her. You know, Yana Emeka gun. Oh, Emeka I will say that fool. Everything this is bad now. Then you are form committee. Anybody not on that particular no stupid person. Look at tell me that means all of you will be animals, wild animals. Somebody in a suspension. I hope people know about this. Common suspension because of her behaviors. Can you get with a suspension then you know bioma? Would they correct your week? You would gas your hair wire. You cannot hold yourself again. You know, from that to post. You just say give back to bring him a barre. Nandia wounded that brother, and they fall back. Give back that side. And yet somebody can now I know with this lady. This wild lady, you know, never go to call or whatever. I pity the men that are following this particular lady. Honestly, if you happen to be my husband, honestly speaking, nonsense.
My sister,
how can you be going with following this lady and a very stupid and wayward kind of human being.
My sister, the most
when you say wayward, people will get that now. Oh, maybe on your body wine. Oh, yeah, the way you behave, the way you speak that, in fact, she speaks so widely.
There were. The most
another thing question and answer. Question and answer.
One of the most important things actually, but before then, only him now. Can you Biafra from this incident about the story of this mad woman? What lesson will Biafrans learn from this kind of person, this movement?
One them. Let's run to go above. What any suspension? Suspension because I won't Dr. Ngozi or Rabes when you suspension. Government is suspension. That means only him again adding him. Igaro give him again. My no line in him again. Auruna again. Adi okay. Give on area. So area. Ibiachi. Aga hutaga to onye nwere nchegharị ọhụrụ. Then let Pastor Rose. Onye do Pastor Rose were good here. Here opposite of now.
That's what you're talking about.
You know, anything here you tell. Give Robioma, although Pastor Rose I won't suspension. Pastor Rose will change of duty, something like that. I may not have gotten it very well. You know, but in case I won't suspension.
you know, I think relief of duty, something like that. But were here also, yeah, because Mayo, Nabata here, emechazie bịa hụ that na onye a be very loyal, you know, ewerezie another one ama that na ọ ga-arụ ya very well nye ya as in humility. Ọ him na-achọ ime ka ndị mmadụ mụta from ihe this lady, this particular adadi or mma mege onwe ọ dị humble, onwe humility in her. So onye ọbụla na-apply humility ebe ọbụla onye ọbụla anọ, just like Pastor Ruth did.
Very simple. Very simple. Yeah. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. Are you glitters the yank or you just?
Oh, you Joma.
Okay, UK.
UK.
Ah, one mommy, we fair. Chai. Nachukuna goes here. Okay, can you know this morning? I want from Anke Humble Lion Abbey. Chai, one your ma. There would you go see again. One no wrong much in I'm an the bands na ya banaka na ejenye nene ya. Amami otago. Ana ejenye nene. Ana emi kukuko afika okoko. You otago. So and the bands that na anu baje also abari ajebe.
Ajebe.
I want we na amen. So even at this Biafran struggle like it now, it's all about discipline. If you are not disciplined, if you can't discipline yourself, Biafrans will discipline you. You're aware.
Yeah. Exactly.
If you learn to try discipline yourself, one more Biafra nobody's bigger. Nobody's bigger than this struggle. Nobody's bigger than this struggle. Dr. Nelly, come about to you knows Rebecca Dr. Nelly no now. Abara boot now. Ya no forever. Ko uche me for. Ko the DOS. Now one this Biafra is a spirit. Onye na ma ya mara ya today. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you.
More blessing to your family.
Thank you.
So much Kai, you have to go. My own little contribution based on what you say. Can you hear me? Yeah, my own little contribution for what you've been saying here regarding these individuals. You know, I've been listening. I've just been listening to you. And you tell a lot of things concerning them. Ima, uche na biakwa abia. You have to go. A lot of people are crazy now. A lot of people are crazy because of this attitude of these individuals. A lot of people are actually crazy now. A lot of people are actually crazy because of this character of these individuals. Some people are kind of asking a lot of questions. Why are they behaving like this? Why is the mad woman behaving like this? No, we trusted her so much. Wow, she has broken our heart. You know what I mean? A lot of things are going in the minds of our people. But one important thing people must have to understand in this Biafran struggle is that this Biafran movement, because we are no more in a struggle, this is a movement, is that this is a freedom fighting. And this is a freedom fighting. And in this kind of movement, expect the worst to happen. Expect the worst to happen. But the most important thing, nobody is supposed to pay attention. Your heart and your role in this Biafra movement. And you know, devil is always knocking at the heart of everybody. Devil is always knocking at the heart of everybody. But it's an ability for you to resist the devil. That's what makes you a man. That's what makes you a conscious person in life. You have to go. One Mazika Okoto and Okotano come one man categories attack something and say at your stupid. Okwa de mege. Oh man, managata like this, equals attack safe. Now say my spirit of envy, spirit of bitterness, spirit of hatred. Everybody have that quality in them, but an ability to control yourself, to say no and to say yes to this, to apply your conscience in everything you are doing. It really matters. If not, this Biafra movement is not actually meant for everybody. It's not actually meant for everybody. A lot of people came into this Biafra movement with a lot of pretense. A lot of people came into this. A lot of people came into this Biafra struggle to you understand what I mean? But it's only God that searches the heart of everybody. It's like your mic from your side. Mic. Yeah. So, oh my God, the noise is too much. Use my mic. I use my mic. Can continue from there. When I can't hear you, I can't hear you. I say I use my mic. Continue.
You can't hear me. I'm talking, but you can't hear me.
You muted
Can
your
you hear
mic.
me now?
You muted your mic. I can hear you now.
No.
Let me mute back my mic.
Just a moment. I'm trying to upload this video to see, because you know I've been looking for a way to bring up video here. So I later got it. So let me just mute it first, okay? Okay, sorry about that. You continue what you were saying before.
I was while I was speaking, I was carrying yeah, so that's why I use my mic. You see happen again. Both mic is
Okay, continue.
it's all right. What I was just trying to say is that these individuals actually Ada Nwanyi Onyeisi Remu News, Oge Gray and their group, they were not actually they are not here for freedom. That's the honest truth. They are not here for freedom. They are not here for freedom. So Biafrans, they are not with us and we are not with them. What we are fighting for is not what they are fighting for. You understand what I mean? We are here for freedom, and what we are fighting for is what we get. All we ask is for freedom. All we ask is for betterment of our future generation. I bring back our freedom. But they are not here for they are here because of their stomach. They are here because of their selfish interest. And God is punishing them now, and God is exposing them. Could you imagine that somebody like Adade or Ramma, he has been shouting Shabo, Shabo, everybody was Shabo, cabinet is Shabo, men on the ground, Shabo, media people, Shabo, everybody in every department they find themselves. There has been causing nuisance in there. There has been causing nuisance. But at the end of the day, Emeka Ghana is exposing her. This woman has been distributing account to Biafrans, to his group, to her group, for people to be paying money to her private account. Somebody is calling in now. Let us hear from our brother. Mazi.
Brother.
Mazi, we are live and we are
getting my brother.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I greet you.
Okay, my brother from Isoko, right?
Yeah, yes.
Brother, how you they take the our language? You don't understand our language, Igbo language?
No, I'm not that I understand, but at least when I put it here, they pick the one, and I don't understand what they are saying.
You're a spirit. You're a spirit. You're a spirit.
And I believe when we go back to Biafra, that is the first language I will learn until you get me, because I really want to understand more.
I swear.
You understand?
So how do you okay, what is why I'm saying now? Can you just chip in one or two words what you understand that I'm saying to our people?
Actually, not just like what that woman was saying. Until you get me, the way she was referring to Ada and Remigius. Until you get me,
okay.
If I put in here what he's saying, I will just try to use my subconscious mind to understand what they are saying. Okay. Not that I hear Igbo language very well, because one, I was not born in I was born in Benin. Okay. And I lived most of my life in Benin before moving to Lagos, from Lagos to India. Get me?
Yeah.
I did not say even in data to 2 years before leaving.
Yeah.
Until you get me. So I just want to chip in something. I think you get me.
Yeah,
It's a pity that most of our people yet they don't want to understand what is happening. At least everything has been clear that this Oge Ekere and his group they did not want Biafra to happen. I think you get me.
That's it.
But one thing that they should know is that God that is on the throne, He has hand in this Biafra struggle. I think you get me. And that's why Biafra was able to be declared by our DPN. I think you get me. Now, you see, I make one write-up. I think you get me.
Yeah.
That you see this Ada as a person, so-called woman that I don't really understand. She has that spirit, three spirits in her, which is the spirit of lies, the spirit of jealousy, and the spirit of prostitution.
Every wicked spirit, every wicked spirit is in her. My brother, let me help you. Every wicked spirit is in her. That woman is a devil, and she's more than a demon.
Good.
It came for destruction.
Just destruction. I think you get me. Now let me say this. One, maybe she was thinking that okay, after the declaration, now they'll give her power to be ruling who? How can illiterate rule a whole over 80 millions of people? Is it possible? Or maybe she wanted our DPN to give her a big post that she will be holy. Since she did not see that opportunity, that's why she started all this her madness. I think you get me. And one thing I want our people to know is that it's a pity that some men they did not even understand the era we are now. Look around the world. Women are doing the most important thing than even men. I'm telling you the truth. If you see what go to some company, when they put some women in a better position, they do that work more than even men them. But they don't want to understand. I think you get me. Now they are saying, oh, we love our PN, this and this. Now PN pass is a instruction. They find it difficult to do or to obey the instruction. That let this woman, okay, let's put aside that our PN did not say, okay, our DPN should be the surrogate. As a COS, the next person to take over, if PM is not there, she is the one. But a lot of people, they are so stupid, thinking, how can little finance minister will come and take over?
Imagine.
And begin to look people why COS is there.
Imagine.
A bigger position and that's supposed to take over before finance minister. Because see that people like Ada and go, they are pushing they are pushing him. That's why say okay, she wants to become the leader, and it's not possible. Their fans are not fools the way they are. I think you get me.
Yeah, I get it.
You see, like what I was saying, person that has the spirit of lie, if she will not feel ashamed at all, she believes that everything she's saying is true, that people will believe her, unknowing to her that she's lying, of which she knows that she's lying, but she believes that people will believe it, and if people are not telling her that this thing you have said is lie, she will keep on saying it. I think you get me. Now, the person that has the spirit of jealousy, no matter where you the position you are, even if the person is not, she will still be jealous of you.
Bro, please a minute. I want to chip in something here. Like there's one point.
Okay,
there's one point you guys are not getting. You understand? Everybody, let everybody pay attention.
Okay.
This is not personal
at all.
Listen very, very carefully. You know, this is like when they say spirit of destruction. We talked about destruction here, right?
Oh, yeah.
You know what is the game? The game. These people, they are on a mission. They are on a mission.
100%.
100%. Biafrans have gotten that one clear. These people, they were on a mission. The mission started all the way from Finland. They were paid agents for them to disrupt the redeclaration of Biafra in Finland. I think you get that.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
when we are in Finland, they were paid, Ogenke and their group. This is not person.
Yes.
Like agent of destruction sent by Nigerian government.
Exactly.
To come and destroy the children of light. to come and destroy our freedom. So when they came to Finland, the Spirit of God took control and overwhelmed DPM. DPM was able to do that declaration by fire, by force.
The first day. Yes.
All of them got mad. All of them got mad. The Kingdom of Darkness got mad. The Zoo government, they got mad. They now brought in Plan B. Look at this here now. They now brought in Plan B. Since you people miss it in Finland, now on your way going back to your various destinations, make sure you cause confusion in this Biafran government so that form a parallel government. Form a parallel. And that is exactly what they are doing now. So that to cause a distraction, so that we look stupid and unserious in the eyes of our international communities. That is the game.
Exactly. Exactly.
So if we are trying to be describing this thing by personal loyal attitude, they are doing spirit of jealousy, spirit of envy. This one do this, Mr. Remunusi do that. One, we are making a very big mistake here. You know what I mean? So now we are trying to let our people know that there is nothing like parallel government. We only have one government.
One government.
We only have one government. We are all these things they are doing now. We are not even. We are just trying to let. We are putting every record straight. All these their distractions they are bringing in. We are disbanding their distraction and making our people to remain focused where we are going. So anybody that is preaching whatever thing you are preaching, make sure you remind our people our mission, our dream, our mandate, and be focused. That is the game. Continue what you are doing and continue. So much.
So why you see why I pick that one out? Because I just look at all her character. That's why the spirit has to select those three spirits for me. And I think I understand. And when you look at somebody that have the spirit of prostitute, she'll be jumping from year to year, from year to year, from year to year. I think get me just to do or to destroy.
Confirm.
I think get me to destroy.
To destroy.
That is just you see. For that, you see, I saw the post when she was when so-called devil pastor post on her when she was discussing with okay, I get me. After that, you know, it was after that exposition that she forgot to them. Falling back to them, you know, everybody naturally fall back to this. I begin to ask myself, how can someone that God has provoked you so you want to fall back to the ground? It's not a cause. It's a cause plan. You see, that's why I want our people to understand all this. It's not like that. One idiot this thing came asking question. Okay, good down. Let them answer you. He has the man to tell our DPM that he shut up. That guy is impossible. That guy will not succeed in life. That guy will never succeed in life. I think
was he humble? Was he humble? Oh,
yes.
God. I feel like
I was so happy. I think it's not even responsible for her. Speed is a stupid talk. You understand? You see, the money. Let me tell you something. The money government have paid them. The government, the Nigerian government have seen that these people they have failed.
They have failed. God bless you.
What is the next thing? That's why they are just bringing kata here and there just to make sure say they destroy the government. But they cannot destroy the government. Why? Because it is God's own project. Every God project, nobody can stop it. Nobody can destroy it.
Oh,
that's what I believe.
I feel you.
But you get me? It is God's own project. So no matter the whole fight they are fighting, they will still bow.
That is the message. That is the message. That's the message. They can never destroy God's mandate. No matter how they blackmail, no matter how they lie, they must propaganda, they will all fail, and they must all. They must
that is it. My prayer to most of our men is that the way God touched the heart of this Emeka Ghana, I don't really know if I pronounce the name well.
Emeka Ghana.
Emeka Ghana. God should touch the heart of all the prominent men of Biafra. You get me? So that they will know the truth from the right, so that we can move on. Biafra is here, and for God, by the grace of God, we are going home.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Mazi. Are you my mic?
Thank you, my brother. Thank you for Thank you for your call. I really appreciate you. Dear friends, we are going to move to another thing. Okay, while we are waiting for that call because our time is limited here. I want to play a video of Ada Doramma. Her video 2 months ago. You know, when you hear that she's dragging position, she have something that she requested from USB that made her to change the way she changed now. One of it is during the Trump's convention, she want to fly to US. Many of you don't know this, and I'm going to expose it here on this live broadcast. So, few months ago, she made a request to COS, telling her that out of 6 people that you know, after receiving the invitation to be in Trump's inauguration, she fixed herself to be one of those that are going to be in that convention or inauguration. Then that request was not welcomed by CS and USB government. If you doubt me, hear this. No. No. Let's start from here.
One of program from one working 247 program.
1 year working 247. Now 247 the buzi ekwensu ano idiot. Nege kwenti. Let's pay attention.
I like it. With work, but before they, hey, me what put on even that what put on. Where opportunity are? Where's our COS, Deputy Prime Minister, Doctor Ngozi Arabese. My honorable.
This is the part where she first made the request that she wants to be in Trump's inauguration. And she actually told us in this video what you should expect if you invite her. Congress member.
I'm a DJ American. In America, was Donald Trump inauguration. You will be there. And then if you money she up here. And then the banana get away again.
Are you getting it now?
God forbid. God forbid.
I guess any Kogwasa give for given or game. Get the Kogwasa give for given or rubber.
Donald Trump. I'm gonna be a flag. Asın kangwakwaga na demonstrate do iso na mmadi shia asụ na mmadi shi ka achọrọ ọkụ ibe ngọtara na akwụkwọ ahụ agụta m ibe ndị ọzọ niile edere As long as you didn't get that invitation on money, she. As in getting the money, she didn't kiss she got up on his. That's all me to know you.
Katia, can you put the money see? So that now, when CS want to come out or anything, Donald Trump man and Biafra. Are you getting the point?
I hear you. I hear you.
So because can go, I dare you. At least I want to meet their team, so don't know. As you know, we'll mediate. So, my honorable, public request. Yaka done them for an day. And so
and Ania, Castle got no need to get him. And immediately that thing is CS declined that thing. That is where the problem started. This is one of many. You know, you know, very can walk on a village in the Jacolas, I better woman wall. Like again. I have
no men and I say so, and and take a picture. Go to a court.
Oh, if I couple the share to the Ogan Kerry, and they take a picture. Tata and Ogan Kerry is the best person. But this is just like this SC here. People who have different reason to be angry. They are what they consider to be, that provoke them all. But they pretend in the public that they are looking for a way that care about Biafrans. That's not about caring about Biafrans. They are trying to bring you to their own personal problem. In America, get a personal issue between Adadorama with the US and USB government. But instead of her to come out and say that I'm not happy with US because she refused to accept me, to count me in one of the, she know, oh, and it goes in the buy, and it goes in the buy. We are not stupid. You understand? Just this program, I'm just trying to, let us just touch it the way we can, because the majority issue is that we are now using we are finding a way to stream together on our platforms, and that is a good thing. So let's continue. Now, after this request, she's not going to dig hard somehow. She's not going to touch Ogegere. And I want you to see, because now, if you listen to some Akbarawa and their group, they will tell you, COS, she started insulting men on ground. She started insulting lobby, PM lobby. She started insulting all the cabinet. People that insult that they decide to insult men on ground are those that are telling you not to donate money. This year, it was one. He's one of the people, and this woman as well. They are the one that started insulting men on ground and insulting lobby. Okay, the only statement that CS made against or about lobby, like Elias, was when Elias trying to take a stand that okay, CS, okay, we don't have anything to do with you. Then, do you understand? But laying insult and calling names are these two people. Today, those names and insults they're called on social media. These people are pushing it to CS and USB cabinet members. But we know who said it. We are not fool. We know. And I'm going to allow this video to roll so that you get a point where this woman talked about lobby, especially Elias. Ndị otu na-ege ntị. Now, I want to make sure that just pay attention that she said everything about that what is his name? That Oginkere and Elias. Because of this rubbish, but I want you to believe how useless are the criminal this man
Prime Minister, and we Biafrans, we are so proud of him. I call him my friend. He's a friend of Biafran. So when Biafra come, we're going to give him a title. So we'll be working very closely, dialoguing with the U.S. Congress, having a bunch of meetings. So we are more than friends. Players, welcome to today's town hall meeting.
Thank you. I just want to provide my greetings. I'm kind of bouncing around today, but I thought it was important for me to address all of you in our town hall, especially given the recent circumstances.
All criminals, but they were serious meeting with the American Congress. Okay, get a go see meeting now the Congress. You know about the serious meeting. Oh, Tronani. Oh, but we're gonna have very good serious meeting. Who knows go see? Shut up, oh. Title. Ngoshi. Ekperimanani. Then I go get on the go to live Otola. I don't use your brain. You go to that. Then the American Congress, when I have a serious meeting, but they don't give invitation. Or for the serious meeting within the Congress. No invitation for a stupid man like you. Our DOS is a special invitation. Hey, if you are now attach photo, or if you are now, you are the America, you are having a Congress, you are having a serious meeting. There's no picture. In the association, in a photo, in a post to see photo, if I know some photo, come out and doesn't say. Now, this is how she used her time attacking Ogenkere and Lobby, Elias, and all that, or anybody at all. In space of 2-3 months, Ogenkere group, she have called them Otorona Nini, Ndochu. You understand? Then now USB was in Kwandochu, Otorona Nini. Then he asked this woman, where do you actually belong? That goes back to what our brother here called her also. That nigga, and that prophecy had come to fulfillment because
Everything she's doing now is pointing to that because you cannot deny it. Now, this program, I'm still trying to scan through the video. Okay, I just got it yesterday. This part is the only place I've watched, I've listened to. So I know that many other things that we can discuss are still in the video. So I will work on that later. My brother Ken, I don't do that, but all I'm talking again. Are you? Can you hear me?
No, I'm listening to you now.
Okay. So Sona Barawa, because remember what I told you. If you have watched the video that I made earlier today, where I talked about these people looking for a way to compile the so-called files they want to use to pin CS down. Now, this guy called Sona Barawa and the rest of them, all of them, they are the same thing. What they are trying to do is to look for a way as the so-called evidence they're looking for, right? Now, there's a screenshot, a chat message that is in public domain. Of course, I use that on my program here, where one of the faceless guy in America was using that telling them on how to delete information anyway they have threatened CS in the past. Guy delete it, make sure that you cut ties with the hand, so that our plan will not cast. COS program that she made few months ago, where she revealed that somebody is calling using fake number to call Biafrans, pretend that he is FBI agent. How many of you remember that program? Then she said that she had made a report to FBI to check the number that are calling Biafrans, trying to create fear in them that those numbers are not from FBI. But they will call people and tell them, oh, hello, that you are from FBI, well, you know, that kind of thing, to create fear in them so that they will start running away from US, from fighting for their freedom. After CS made that statement open, that this is what is going on, this our brother Obi-Wan News made a post about it. Okay, Obi-Wan made a post about it, and in that post, Obi-Wan says something very, very important. It's almost the same way CSA actually said it. Obi-Wan said Biafrans abuses Dr. Nkosa Rebeze spoke to the Biafran. It's not Biafran abuses. Then he said Dr. Nkosa Rebeze spoke to the FBI US regarding Nigerian military officers on February. This is two different posts. He made this one on 13th of February 2025. Then on February 12, 2025, he made another post. I made an official report to the FBI Atlanta, Georgia, on the persecution, oppression, and slaughtering of unarmed innocent Biafran by Nigerian President Tinubu. Okay, this is the screenshot, because this guy Sona Barawa did not allow the whole message to come out, because now he made a post using that post of this our brother Obi-Wan. In the new, as he tagged this write-up of Obi-Wan to his post, he put a caption which I'm trying to read out for you. That caption, he said on that post, he said this. Just a moment. Oh shit. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm trying to expand it so it will be more readable. Okay, he said, many evidences from your utterances negative, because like I told you, they are looking for evidence. They are looking for evidence against COS, because the agenda is to take her away and the rest will be history, which is the tactics that many people have been using. That's what they planned on Mazda Meccano and CO and PM down CS. He said many evidences from your utterances Ikoya Ejugo, Tobutuzo, Holy Ghost and gentle, liquid metal and the rest of the liquid metal and the rest of the BDF. If any one of them move from one state to another, they will be pied by your rabbi. Is this not enough evidence uttered from Ngozi or Abofulani against Biafrans, against Biafran against Biafran defending Biafrans since 2020 till date? I thought you told your foolish followers that you are reporting their massacre to FBI. So why are you afraid of same FBI now? Lies does not pay. This will validate to you, to validate that they are in contact with FBI, according to them, with lies and propaganda. Are you getting the point now? So now, like I don't blame him. I don't blame Adadorama, because I've said this in the past. Had it been that the USB government is taking this bill, like questioning some of their utterances and their actions, this thing will not be the way it is now, because it is very, very clear that they are doing what they're doing because they felt that it's the right thing to do. The best time to go against COS is now.
All right.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't know if you have to say about it, because we are about to round off this program. I don't know if you have anything to say about it. Just go on, my brother.
Well, brother, you have said it all. You have said it all. Only thing I know is that these people, all of them are just, all these people fighting against Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, they are all agents of darkness, and they are agents of destruction. All their aim is to make sure that they bring Biafra down. All their aim is to bring Biafra, bring freedom down. And it is our duty not to let them be. It is our duty to defend this our government. It is our duty of good citizens of Biafra to protect this our government. And it is our duty of good citizens of Biafra to provide for this our government and to support this our government one way or the other, because we are positive-minded people. And all these negative-minded people that are claiming, that are pretending that they are Biafran freedom fighters, all of them, they are fake. You understand? They have nothing to offer. They have nothing good to offer to us. And we are rejecting them. We are rejecting their emotions. We are rejecting their movement. We are rejecting all their lies. And we are sending them back to the abyss. You understand what I mean? So they are not going to prevail. They're not going to prevail. And very, very soon, you know, just like you said, that the reason why they are doing all this thing they are doing is because just like nobody's like kind of going after them or something like that. No, just hang on. Very, very soon, every word that comes out of their mouth, they are going to defend it. Biafran government, government terrorists, terrorists. Mbaka court. Is he gonna say that court that no on a court? He's not gonna tell the court people that he was just messing around, he was just saying something in the media. No, it's not gonna be like that. He must defend that word. He must bring proof what makes our government to become a terrorist. Something that the Nigerian government, this one is not. This one is all about that. Or what was it on the Nigerian in the thing? It's not about Nigerian government telling us, calling us nuisance. Now, somebody that said that is a Biafran agitator, one of us is calling us a terrorist. That is very, very sad indeed. But this time around, they must hear it. They must hear from us, and we Biafran people are keeping record of all their evil words against us. So there are all of them that are going to be failures. And when we are not moved, we are not perturbed about their ill characters against the government. One thing we know that we only have one government. They will gather, and God is going to scatter them. They will plan, and they will fail. And the government is a divine mandate, and we are reaching out to our goal very, very soon. Before the end of this year, Biafrans are going to rejoice. So Biafrans all over the world, please, as we are rounding up, never you give up. Breathe on. God is on our side. Go to the channels that is going to give you hope. Go to subscribe to Kai Report now, as he's here and I see the way he's analyzing things in a very gentle way, in coagulating everything for you, even to the lowest. There was one of his programs I was watching. I was like, "Of this, our brother is too gentle," and to the extent he went to the extent of even interpreting surrogate for Biafrans for them to understand, reading the dictionary meaning of surrogate for to the lowest level, because you don't want any of you to be deceived. So much respect, Sky Report. All your good job you are doing for Biafrans. May God continue to strengthen you. Go to the channels that is going to give you hope, faith, that is going to encourage you. Don't go to the channels that's going to put poison in your mind. Don't go to the channel that you're going to go. If you go to another Roma channel now, you're going to come out here with hypertension. You're not going to come out there with a heart attack. You're going to come out there with confusion. There are breathing live broadcasters they're going to do. There are children of light that's going to give you what you want. So I salute each of every one of you. Sky Report. I yield my mic. Ndeo, Mazi.
Thank you. That's the kind of you. I really appreciate you for that. And there's a video that I wanted to play here before we go. Okay, and that video is just for you to see how h0cking and that group, what they think about you. Is this video? You just watch it, and then I will explain. Just but pay attention to the video. Let me just bring it up. I hope it will not give me a headache. Just a moment. Let me locate that video. Just a moment. I'm trying to. It's taking some time. Okay, this video, you may not understand what this video is all about. You see how sheep, okay, how this sheep follow one person, and the sheep actually believe that they're going to somewhere, okay, they're going to somewhere. The person just run around this fire and just step aside. They keep on chasing themselves, thinking they're going to somewhere. That's what they want to do to you when you fall back. Just listen. I don't know if the video is playing very fine or is it only on my end. Please, can somebody confirm? Very good evening, Kai Report and Mazes. Thank you so much, Olo State. And Woke Ezik, I see you. So, is the video playing very, very well? Can you confirm? Let me play it again. Hello?
Yeah, on a play here, on a play, a little bit.
On a play very smooth, Abi.
On a hang.
One hang, okay, which doesn't make sense then. Let me remove it because I wanted to play it. Don't worry, we are going to fix all those things. It's a gradual process. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. So, my people, we have come to an end of the live broadcast, and we are going to. I will try my best to come back again. Okay. We are going to come back again. Maybe I will play this video before then. I think I need to, because I want to see how they feel that what they think about you. Okay. Anyway, let me leave it there. Thank you, my people, and God bless you all. See you again later.
Olu State, I salute you. Our own Olu State, I salute you. I see you. h0cking, I salute you. They won. They won. My eyes was net is wrong. Very, very soon, everything is going to be okay. Yeah, so they won. I'm around. Malika, meet you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.